Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
My name is Wendy.
Hello, Wendy. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What color do you like?
I like pink.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs.
Very good. What is this?
And at me birthday party.
Yes.
Birthday cake.
Yes.
Pasta.
Yes.
Pizza.
Yes.
Popcorn.
Very good.
The pizza is yummy.
Yes.
The popcorn is yummy.
Yes.
The pizza is yummy.
Yes. Very good. Where are they?
In the
Back.
backyard.
That's right. What's this?
By
Yes.
kitchen.
Yes.
Cars.
Very good. What's he doing?
He fly in a bag.
Yes. What is she doing?
She fly in with a kitchen.
Very good. What's she doing?
She fly in a car.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the village.
That's right. The
Village.
village is here.
Van.
Yes.
Volleyball.
Very good.
Can you draw a van?
Very good.
Can you draw a village?
Yes.
Can you draw a volleyball?
That's right. Very good. Where are they?
In the kitchen.
That's right.
Jelly.
Yes.
Juice.
Yes.
Jam.
That's right.
I like juice.
Yes.
I like jelly.
Yes.
I like jam.
Very, very good. Where are they?
At the seaside.
Yes.
Sand.
Yes.
Sail. Side.
Sea.
Sea. Sail.
That's right.
Let's look at the sand.
Yes.
Let's look at the sea.
Yes.
Let's look at the side.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the
Countryside. That's right.
go.
Yes.
River.
Yes.
Rainbow.
Okay, very good.
I can see a go.
Yep.
I can see a river.
Yep.
I can see a rainbow.
Very, very good. Where are they now?
In the classroom.
That's right. What shape is this?
Circle.
Yes.
Triangle.
Yes.
Square.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Yes.
Star.
Yes.
Diamond.
Yes.
Oval.
Very good. Very good. Where are they?
At the zoo.
Okay. Which animal?
Tiger.
Yes.
Peacock.
Yes.
Alligator.
Yes.
Tiger.
Yes.
Lion.
Yes.
Monkey.
Yes.
Pizza.
Elephant. That's right.
Peacock.
Yes.
Turtle.
Yes.
Panda.
Yes.
Bear.
Very, very good. Where are they now?
On the farm.
Yes.
Fox.
Yes.
Duck.
Yes.
Sheep.
Yes.
Cow.
Very good.
Hen.
Yes.
Rabbit.
Yes.
Girl.
Yeah.
Cats.
Yes.
Dogs.
Yes.
Rabbits.
Very, very good. Where are they now?
In the
Grocery
side.
store.
Meal.
Yes.
Fruit.
Yes.
Orange.
Yes.
Mangoes.
Yes.
Apples.
Very good.
Jelly.
Yes.
Jam.
Yes.
Cookie.
Cookies. Yeah.
Yo-yo.
Yes.
Carrots.
Yes.
Banana.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Yes.
Eggs.
Yes.
Yogurt. Yogurt. Candy.
Very, very good. That's the end. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bye-bye.